Hey guys, we're going to talk about the basic fillet and chamfer. Right now we are in Autodesk Inventor 2021 and I have got a simple bracket built up which we are going to add some fillets and some chamfers to. So what I've got is I've got my bracket built, and first things first is I'm going to complete that sketch, extrude it using the extrude feature, and then now we are going to add some fillets and some chamfers while in the 3D mode. Okay, again, there is multiple different ways to add these, multiple different techniques to adding these, but this is the one that I'm going to show you here, which is again after you've completed your sketch in the 3D mode. So what I've got right here is I've got my bracket and I'm going to add a fillet. So I'm going to go up here to my 3D model tab, click my fillet feature. And now I've got a bunch of different things that I'm able to do. So we have got a number of different features and a number of different changes that you can make into creating your fillet. We've got a constant radius, we've got a variable radius, we've also got setbacks, we have got face fillet, we have got a full round fillet, but for right now, we're just going to stick with the basic edge fillet. So with right here, it's going to ask how many edges have you selected and what do you want your radius to be. So for right now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to up this to a 1/4 inch radius. And then I'm going to go to my model and I'm going to select which edge I want to fillet. So for this one, let's say I'm going to create a fillet weld. And for a fillet weld, I'm going to put a radius fillet right between this plane here and this plane here. So as simple as that, I'm going to select my edge and it creates your fillet for you. So from there, I'm going to click apply and I have got my fillet created. So if I want to create something a little bit more intricate, I can do that. But for right now, we're just going to stick with the basic fillet. So I'm going to exit out of this. I've completed my first fillet and now I want to go into chamfer. So when I create my chamfer, what I'm going to do is I'm going to select the chamfer. And again, you've got a number of different things you can do here. You can do it by distance, you can do it by distance and angle, or you can do it by two distances. From right now, I'm just going to select distance. For this first one, I'm going to go again to another 1/4 inch chamfer. You can do edge chains. You can select single edge. I'm going to select single edge. You have your setbacks here as well. And I'm going to select just a basic edge to complete my chamfer. I'm going to select this one right here. And as you'll see, that is the preview of your chamfer before you select it and confirm it. Then I'm going to select this one right here. So again, I'm going to put 2. And as you will see, that is the basic chamfers. I'm going to click apply and I'm good to go. So I can add another chamfer if I'd like to, or I can exit out of this and confirm my chamfers. So again, what we've created right here are basic fillets and basic chamfers on this bracket that we've created. If I want to go back in and I want to edit those, again, I go over here to my model bar. I can right click, edit the feature. And again, I can adjust this. So let's say if I want to go up to a 1/2 inch, I can go up to a 1/2 inch fillet, click OK, and it's going to update that for me. Again, I can go over here to my chamfer, edit the feature, and if I want to adjust these down to an 1/8 inch fillet, or an 1/8 inch chamfer in this case, I'm sorry, I will click OK, and it does that for me. Again, I can adjust all of these, and I do that through my model bar and editing the feature. So this is, again, just a basic, very simple way of creating chamfers and fillets. And again, you can do these through a number of different ways, and we're not delving in too deep into these, but just a basic, simple showing of how to create that fillet and a chamfer.